Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
Hi guys, today we are going to make mini chocolate cake of 200 grams. Here's the ingredients with perfect measurements. Come, let's bake the delicious mini chocolate cake. Take a bowl and add 37.5 grams of plain flour. Add powdered granulated sugar of 25 grams. Add cocoa powder of 15 grams. Add baking powder of half tablespoon. Add 1 gram of sea salt. Now mix this well. Now melt this unsalted butter of 22.5 grams and add it to the mixture. Add 95 ml of warm water. Now mix this well without forming any lumps in it. Keep it aside and take the mini cake mold. Place the baking paper inside cake mold and start brushing it thoroughly with melted butter. And add the cake batter into the mold. Let it spread evenly by doing this. Let's move to our oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius of 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, our cake is ready now. Let it cool. Let's move this cake to our plate. Wow, I wish you smell through the screen. Also, it is well baked. Okay, let's pour our melted chocolate over the cake. Here's our delicious mini chocolate cake of 200 grams only. Happy baking. Until next time. Danke. Tschüss.